Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into some of the most bizarre and mind-boggling experiments ever recorded in history. These aren't your typical lab coat and beaker situations. We're talking about studies that will make you question everything. First up, let's travel back to the 1970s for the Stanford Prison Experiment. Professor Philip Zimbardo wanted to see what happens when you put good people in a stressful situation. He randomly assigned college students to be either prisoners or guards in a mock prison. The plan was for it to last 2 weeks, but it got out of hand incredibly fast. The guards became authoritarian, and the prisoners showed signs of extreme distress. They had to shut the whole thing down in just 6 days. It's a chilling look at how easily situations can influence our behavior. Next, have you ever heard of the two-headed dog? No, it's not a myth. In the 1950s, a Soviet scientist named Vladimir Demikhov performed a series of head transplants on dogs. In one famous case, he surgically attached the head and front legs of a puppy onto the neck of an adult German Shepherd. Both heads could see, hear, and even drink, though the puppy's head drank from a separate bowl. This sounds like something from a sci-fi movie, but it was a real and, frankly, unsettling step in the early history of transplant surgery. Finally, let's talk about something a little lighter, but just as weird, the giggle doctor. In the 1960s, a doctor named Patch Adams believed that laughter was the best medicine. So, he started dressing up as a clown, using humor and play to treat his patients. While many in the medical community thought he was just being silly, his approach emphasized the importance of compassion and emotional well-being in healing. He even founded a free hospital based on this philosophy. It was a radical idea that challenged the very definition of medicine at the time. These experiments pushed the boundaries of science and ethics, and they definitely give us a lot to think about. What's the strangest experiment you've ever heard of? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this trip down the rabbit hole of weird science, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you won't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.